Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of the all-new 2020 Chevy Tahoe LT. This four-wheel drive Tahoe comes with a 5.3 liter V8 engine, your back tinted windows, and then as you can see here, it comes with your custom 18 by 8.5 inch high polished aluminum wheels. Now, when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have our premium Bose audio system, jet black leather seating with a white lining throughout your entire vehicle. When it comes to the front, we have our standard Chevy MyLink radio, heated seating on both sides, your push to talk, heated steering wheel, front collision alert, and standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.